Hey everyone, so I'm back again with a new video, and this time it's a Padlet tutorial. So Padlet is just like Wakelet. You can collaborate, send link, and they don't need to join your Padlet. They can just easily add their text or whatever they want to add. So let's start. So I've downloaded the Padlet app. You need to sign up if you don't have an account, but I have, so I'll log in. So if you need to work on the desktop or laptop, then you can go to its browser also and type padlet.com. And my dashboard is open. So Padlet is just like Wakelet, but not the same. We can collaborate, we can add links, we can add websites, images and all. So now how to make one. So click on make, and there will be many layouts. If you want to make something like wall or collaborate, then I think wall, the first one, be the best. If you want to make shelf or you need to do something question and answer, then you can choose this one. If you need a back channel, then you in back channel you can communicate like a chat, like environment. Then map is when you need to point things on a map, and timeline is that example you are writing the timeline of Varanasi. So there you can add the things, how was Varanasi in first century, second and all. So I'll choose simple wall, and my Padlet is ready. But what you need to do is to change the title and description and all. Click on the settings option, and you can change the title. Like I'll write Creative Tanishka, and description, let's write made with happiness, made with fun. If you need to add an icon, so an icon, there will be a short icon on the top of the your beside the title of your Padlet. There the icon will show it. So let's see if we can add. So what can we add? If you want to add your own, then you can choose pictures or take images and guides from Unsplash library. I'll click on back, and I think right now I'll add this simple one. Let's add this. It's just an example. So, and if you need to change the appearance in wallpaper, you can, has an option to change the wallpaper. Click on that arrow. If you want textures and patterns, then click on textures and patterns. If you want to add your own image, then there's an option to add your own. If you want to add solid colors, gradients and pictures, let's take one from the pictures. So which can I add? I think I'll add this one. Yeah. Just click on back, no need to save. Now let's change the color scheme. I don't like white, I like black, so I'll change. And if you want to change font, then you can change. I'll do something like playful, so I'll click on this. If you want to display the person's name who has posted that a post on this your Padlet, then you can on this option, but I'll keep it off. And then comments is when like I have posted one, and you or anyone can comment on that, so I'll on this. Reactions is when you like someone's post and you can add a heart or vote or like something like that, so I'll add this like. So now I'll save this and see the changes in my Padlet. I'll just add a heart to it. So let's add something. You can see the arrow, no plus sign. Then what should I add a title? Let's add something. So then I'll not write anything. If you need to just add in web, then click on this. videos, GIF, audio and websites you can choose. Then if you want to add an image, upload an image, then you can go to camera. If you want to add a link of your own, then just copy that link and paste over here. If you want to click a direct picture, then click on the camera and suppose I have to click this one, then I'll click the picture. I'll not upload it, but I'll click on cancel. And there are many. You can record your voice or capture a video from your camera, take snap, and then add a place or location. So I'll not post anything. Suppose I posted this and I click on post. So here you can see that there is an option coming for an heart and add a comment. If you want to change the color, then you can change the color of your post or edit it. If you want to edit it, then click on the 3 arrows and there will be an option to edit and want others to add something to it. Then I'll click on this arrow and then copy the link. And if you want to create it to PDF or convert it to PDF or image, there's an option. If you want to change the privacy, then here's an option, but I'll keep it public. Click on save and then I'll close this. Let's copy the link. My link is copied and let me show you. I can paste it also. So I'll paste over here only. I'll click on submit and post this only, as I have posted this Padlet only in my Padlet. So it's taking time, and hope you understood. And this was just like Wakelet, no? So thanks for watching.